Most people start drawing a tree like this, a straight trunk, asymmetrical branches, and identical needles pointing down. It looks more like a symbol than a living tree. It's flat, stiff, and lacks life. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to break this habit. I will show you how to give your tree volume and make it look truly realistic. First, let's build the skeleton. The trunk should never be perfectly straight, like it was drawn with a ruler. In nature, perfect lines don't exist. Now the branches. At the top, they point upward. Near the middle, they go straight out. And at the bottom, they sag down. Why? Because the lower branches are older, thicker, and heavier. Gravity does its work. I am going over all the branches with a soft pencil, a 2B. This creates a soft, blurred foundation. It already looks more natural, almost like a tree that has lost some of its needles. Using a soft lead at this stage is a game changer. It gives the drawing a hazy, organic feel, which is exactly what we want for a realistic look. Look at the difference. Here is a hard pencil and here is my soft one. The hard line is too sharp and cold. The soft one, it feels like nature. Now, let's add the needles. I start from the top using short slanted strokes. And here is the secret. I draw from the outside, inward, from the edge to the branch. See? Because the pencil is soft, these strokes look fluffy and thick. We aren't drawing lines. We are building texture. Now comes the patient part. We fill every branch one by one. It's a repetitive process, but very relaxing. As I work, I keep an eye on the overall shape. I'm adding more branches to the bottom to make the tree look fuller and more balanced. Don't rush it. Let the tree grow naturally under your hand. Time for depth. I'm switching to a softer pencil, a 4B. Look at my lead. I've sharpened it so one side is sharp for fine lines and the other side is flat for thick, dark shading. This allows me to work much faster. I can switch from a detail to a deep shadow just by rotating my pencil. I'm only darkening the areas near the trunk. Why? Because that's where the branches are thickest and the light can't reach. If you darken the edges, the tree will look flat again. Keep the tips light and the center dark. This creates that beautiful 3D effect. Finally, I add the trunk in the gaps where it peeks through. I'm using a very soft pencil now. I'm adding deep shadows near the core and sharpening a few branches in the foreground to make them pop. This is how we achieve that true immersive volume, from a flat sketch to a 3D tree. I hope this inspired you to try this method. Thank you so much for your support, for your comments, likes, and for subscribing.